Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your study abroad opportunities with the University of California. Full guide step by step clearly. To increase your study abroad opportunities with the University of California, start by researching the various programs offered across its campuses. Visit the University of California's official website and navigate to the Study Abroad section. Familiarize yourself with the different types of programs available, including exchange programs and faculty-led courses. Identify the campus you are interested in, as each UC campus has its own unique offerings and partnerships. Check specific eligibility requirements for each program to ensure you qualify. Reach out to advisors or faculty members who specialize in study abroad initiatives at your campus. Attend information sessions or workshops hosted by the Study Abroad office to learn more about the process. Begin preparing your academic and financial documents, as these will be necessary for the application. Explore scholarship opportunities that can help fund your study abroad experience. Start your application as early as possible to meet deadlines. Ensure that you have a current passport and understand visa requirements for your desired country. Take a language proficiency test if required for your chosen program. Submit your application along with any required essays or personal statements that showcase your motivation. After submission, keep track of your application status and be prepared for potential interviews. Once accepted, begin preparing for your departure by attending pre-departure orientations. Engage with other students who will be studying abroad, as this can create a support network. Finally, maintain an open mind and embrace the opportunities that come with studying in a different country. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance your study abroad experience through the University of California. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.